Hello. We are back with another video. I'm Sid, founder of Sky Llama, a Shopify app studio. Today, we're going to be talking about how you can customize your checkout using Shopify's checkout extensions. Now, customizing your Shopify Plus checkout has never been easier. With an app like Checkout Wiz, you can seamlessly customize your checkout without any coding. But if you want to build an optimized checkout, you need to know what your end goal is before you get started. If you're running a brand, chances are there are three things that matter to you the most: increasing average order value, improving conversions, and getting to know your customers so that you can serve them better. And in this video, we'll cover all the key elements you can add to your checkout process to conquer these three things. So let's start. By the way, if you're new to checkout extensions or haven't migrated your Shopify Plus checkout yet, we highly recommend watching our migration video. It highlights the benefits of checkout extensions and offers a simple 6-step process for migration. You can check it out here or in the video description. Okay, let's get started now. The first thing that we're going to talk about is how you can improve conversions using Shopify's new checkout extensions. The first thing you need to do on your checkout is to make sure the checkout feels like an extension of your brand and not a separate entity. This can be done using checkout branding. By ensuring your checkout process reflects the same colors, fonts, logos, and messaging as the rest of your store, you create a seamless shopping journey. This not only builds trust, but also increases the likelihood of successful transactions and encourages customers to return. The next thing you need is social proof. Use customer reviews and ratings to boost buyers' confidence. Just like a friend's recommendation, showcasing positive feedback reassures new customers and making them more likely to complete their purchase. Now that you've set up your reviews, let's talk about how you can use custom content to inform and reassure your customers. What kind of custom content? Well, imagine if you could clearly outline your return policies right on the checkout. Or how about trust badges for secure transactions or the commitment to sustainability? Missing out on these small details can cause friction, whereas effectively presenting this information or any other kind of information that can help reduce friction increases customer confidence, improves the conversions, and results in more loyalty over the long term. There's one last thing that you can do to improve conversions on your checkout: personalize it with custom fields. By incorporating custom fields for options like delivery dates or gift messages or delivery notes, you create personalized experiences for your customers. Offering these personalized options engages the customers, makes their shopping easier, and makes them feel heard. Now that we've discussed how we can improve conversions using checkout extensions, let's talk about how you can increase the average order value. We all know the answer to this: upselling. But here's the thing, there's a very thin line between upselling for the sake of upselling and strategic upselling. We need to aim for the latter. By thoughtfully suggesting complimentary products or exclusive discounts at checkout, you not only increase your revenue but also add value to your customers' purchases. Using extensions, you can do line item upsells, complimentary product upsells at various different places at the checkout. By the way, here's an upselling pro tip for you. While complimentary products and upgrades are perfect for checkout upsells, post-purchase upsells need to be thought a little differently. After a customer buys something, suggest a small relevant add-on rather than pushing for a high-value item during post-purchase upsell. The beauty of post-purchase upsells is that the customer doesn't have to re-enter the details, making the buying process frictionless and more likely to succeed. Another extension to strategic upselling is implementing a free shipping bar. We all love free shipping. Imagine if you could have a free shipping bar right in the checkout that shows how close the customer is to earning their free shipping, encouraging them to add more items to their carts. How about putting the items right below the free shipping bar to make the process of adding something very simple? If you're on Shopify Plus, implementing a free shipping bar on your checkout is an absolute no-brainer. Don't wait any longer. Alright, we've now spoken about how you can improve conversions and increase average order value using Shopify checkout extensions. That leaves us with one thing: how can we use the extensions to know our customers better? That's where thank you page extensions come in. An engaging thank you page is a game changer for your brand. Imagine if you could collect data about how your customers hear about you or what quality of your brand stands out to them, or maybe even asking them about their birthday so that you can send them a gift. All of this can be done natively using the thank you page extensions launched by Shopify. In addition to all kinds of survey questions that you can ask to get to know them better, you can also ask for feedback, you can provide social sharing options, you can provide loyalty program details. A great thank you page is a conclusion to a joyful shopping experience. With that, we've come towards the end of the video. We've now spoken about how you can improve conversions, increase average order value, and get to know your customers better. Remember, the key to building an optimized checkout is not to launch all of these things together. You need to figure out which ones are more important, put them on the checkout, see some analytics, and then decide how you want to move forward. All of this can be done without writing a single line of code. You can use an app like Checkout Wiz that lets you configure all of these extensions on the app itself. Using checkout ways, implementing these strategies become a breeze. If you need help with migrating your checkout or setting up your checkout extensions, feel free to book a call with the link in the description. I'll see you in another video where we talk about how you can optimize your logistics and operations using checkout extensions.